Aloha!
O Chef Rafi. Delina mai I ka uho ike.
Today we are cooking Biko. Biko is a round Philippine rice cake.
Ma keia la, e hoa'o aku ana au e kuke I ka piko ya o kou.
If you're Filipino, then you have always eaten this dish.
He mea ai ono o piko mai ka po'e Filipino.
These are the ingredients.
E ia na mea pono ke kuke ana mai.
You have to use dark brown sugar. If you don't, it's gonna taste horrible, like cow farts or pig poo. You have to use sticky rice, not regular rice.
Pono no o kou e kuke I ka laiki pipili. A ole ka laiki mau a mau.
This is a banana leaf for a rice cake. Let's start cooking.
E kuke kako. Hiki wale no ke ia lula no ke kuke ana.
Cook the sticky rice first. Cook the rice to 75%. If you cook it to 100%, it's gonna taste horrible. This is what sticky rice looks like.
Ka helu mua, kuke kako I ka laiki pipili makawai. I ka wā ma mua o ka pau ana o ke kuke ana aku I ka laiki, lawe aku ka laiki mai ke ahi.
Let's cook the coconut milk with the brown sugar.
Me ke kahi pā e ae, e kuke aku I ka waiu a me ke kopa'a ula ula.
Enhance the flavor.
Ho'ohui I ka pa'akai.
This is my dad's favorite dessert. When the coconut milk simmers, add the brown sugar. Now let's add in the brown sugar.
Ka wili mai I ua waiu I mea ho'oahi ole ma ka lalo o ka pā.
Now we'll add the sticky, almost cooked rice.
Ma ka kupu anu aku a ka waiu niu, ho'ohui ka waiu me ka laiki pipili.
Beef smells so good. Keep mixing so it doesn't burn the bottom. Now let's learn some Hawaiian proverbs.
A'ohe pau ka ike I ka lau ho'okahi.
Don't let burn on bottom.
Mai noho a makamaka I lio I ka huelu ka ike. A kuke I ka waiu a hiki a'ohe vai.
I'm gonna put it on banana leaves. This is the banana leaf. We'll make it so it's not sticky.
Makapau ana a ke kuke ana o ka laiki. Lawe aku ka mea a kau ma luna o ke kahi lau maia e lawe aku.
Now we would make latik. To make latik, all you have to do is fry coconut milk. Keep frying, keep frying. It's all ready. It is up to you if you want to have latik. Look at my latik.
Hiki ke kipa'i ka piko me ka latik ai ole fried coconut. Mahalo no o ko kipa ana mai. O ko make ana I ka piko ka'u mana olana. E kipa mai o ko ia'u ma keia pule ae at chefrafi.com.